A transport group believes it is too early to judge the performance of Transportation Secretary Arthur Tugade. This following calls for his resignation from some quarters due to his alleged failure to ease the traffic problem in Metro Manila. Kirby Cristobal filed this report.
Manatili si Secretary sa kanyang bilang Secretary ng DOTR. Kasi last August 16, nag-meeting kami sa opisina nila ng mga transport leader. Nakita ko yung kanyang sinseridad at yung puso niya sa transport sa mamamayang Pilipino.
That's what the Association of Drivers and Operators of Rizal insisted following reports that DOTR Secretary Tugade resigned over the traffic problem in Metro Manila. Consisting of almost 1,000 members, the group AUB Transport Federation of Rizal, or AT4, expressed its full support for all the programs and projects of the Department of Transportation. The group believes that Tugade can solve the traffic issue and transportation concern in the country.
Yung kooperasyon na kailangan niya rito ng mga transport leader, paano, at saka isa pa kay Secretary, nakita ko, yung disciplinary siya eh. Hindi niya tinitinan yung personal niyang interest eh, pangkalatan yung kanya eh. Ang makikinabang ito mamamayang Pilipino eh. Kaya makatao siya, para sa akin makadiyos siya.
Mendros added that DOTR is not focusing only on one country's issues. That's why it's too early to judge the government's performance on resolving the problem.
Ang pakiusap ko lang sa grupo o sa, kahit sa lahat ng leader ng transport, maging makatotohanan tayo at patuparin natin yung batas ng asosasyon, maging disciplinaryan din tayo sa bahagi ng mga ating membro. No? Ang gobyerno ay hindi naman matutulog yan para tayo suportahan. Kaya ang request ko ngayon sa ating Pangulo, mula sa ating Pangulo ng Bansa na kay Pangulong Duterte, particularly kay na Yosek Luntok, kay Secretary Tugade, na bigyan kami ng legal na prangkisa nang mabuhay naman po kami.
UV Express driver shared his sentiments on how it feels driving for a living, despite the worst traffic situation, just to sustain the needs of his family.
Bilang isang driver ng UV Express, siguro po hindi pa natin pwedeng sabihin mag-resign si Secretary Tugade, lalo pa na't napakabata pa sa kanyang posisyon para gawin natin yon. Siguro, ang pinakamaganda, tayo muna ang sumuporta. Ipakita muna natin ano ba yung nagawa natin sa transport na.
The Department of Transportation is continuously focusing in providing immediate actions on the concerns of the public in order to provide good service not just on the traffic concern but as well for the benefit of the Filipino people. For PTV News, Kirby Cristobal.